we embark on the swearing in of the president as per the constitution next Tuesday, 28th. And then Kenya moves forward. We unite the people. And President Uhuru Kenyatta continues with his transformation agenda for the next 5 years.
What do you mean by uniting the people? What specific things are you looking for?
Absolutely. Every election, after every election, heavily and bitterly contested, there are fallouts among the ranks and the file of the citizens. And it is the role of each and every government and every president to make sure that he carries everybody, those who voted for him and those who didn't vote for him. That's what I mean.
So how do you reach out to your colleagues from the opposition side? Because that divide is there even in Parliament.
The Constitution has provided the mechanism and the infrastructure in uniting the country, bringing equity across all regions of our country. Devolution is one of the institutions that will unite our people, and that by giving it more resources and by giving it more powers. Parliament is another arm of government that the many shades of the leadership of our country meet. So there are many forums provided for in law to unite the people.
Now, many people have criticized the context under which the Supreme Court arrived at that verdict with some claims of intimidation of judicial officers, including that attack on the bodyguard of the Deputy Chief Justice. Do you think this was a fair decision?
The judiciary is independent. On 1st of September, we were here, and the win of President Uhuru Kenyatta was invalidated. We believe in the rule of law and we believe in constitutionalism. We went back as ordered by the court within 60 days. On the 26th of October, Kenyans went to the polls, and in their thousands and millions, they elected President Uhuru Kenyatta. His win was challenged again, as provided for in our constitution. And today we are happy that following the due process, the win of the president now has been validated by the Supreme Court in an unanimous decision.
You've spoken of devolution and Parliament, but these do not sort of involve the main players in the opposition, Raila Odinga and other senior leaders who are not in these platforms. How would you intend to reach them as the Jubilee Party?
Raila Odinga and his colleagues participated in the Constitution of Kenya 2010 that removed presidential contenders from being in Parliament. So it is the Constitution. It is not a design by anybody. And through the leadership, the minority leadership in the House, and through the majority leadership in the House, and other stakeholders, there are forums provided for by the Constitution in making sure that Kenya moves forward and Kenya joins the League of Nations that respect constitutionalism and the rule of law. Yale yanaendelea nchini ni kawaida, ni hali ya siasa na viongozi, na mimi ningewauliza viongozi wote wa mrengo zote wahubiri amani, wahubiri umoja na wahubiri kuleta Wakenya pamoja katika wakati huu wa msimu wa kisiasa.